An interesting story I'm about to tell. I wandering Black Heron on the island of Bahrain.
Hi guys, so basically I'm in Bahrain. The place is called Buhair Valley. So I came here for a special bird and a lifer which I missed last year. It's called Black Heron. So what's so special about this bird? This bird forms an umbrella, literally an umbrella, to catch fish, hunt a fish with its spear. So this bird is basically from the west side of Saudi Arabia and eastern side of Africa. But somehow it came here, and I'm here in Bahrain to shoot it. I got plenty of photos, some video footage in my camera, but unluckily till now I have not got the umbrella shot as clear as possible I should get. I got the moment in the photos, but that is not very, it's not very crisp. So it's a unique adventure. You can see my condition. I'm wearing wedding boots, rubber boots, high boots. A friend of mine in Bahrain gave me so that I can ball in the reeds so my shoes don't get ruined, because I was not prepared that this situation will come up so adventurous. I came home all the way from Saudi Arabia to Bahrain to shoot this beautiful bird and add one more lifer, and the first lifer of year 2025. So this is the first lifer of 2025. I missed it previously. This time there was no chance I was going to miss this. I got it, but still the perfect umbrella shots are still not there. So I'll try to come back at this place. And the other images are now in my camera, but the camera battery is dead now. So I'll have to leave back to Saudi Arabia and I'll come back. My shoes are on the car. I'll show you that. So this is what I did when the friend gave me boots. I just put it over here. I couldn't wait, and I rushed for the photography.
So I always wanted to be a part of this story, where I am wearing a camouflage and a wader suit, you can see, and sitting in the reeds just shooting a black heron. As the bird is very rare and the way it hunts fishes is remarkable, so that's why it's worth it to be suit up like that and sitting in the marsh reeds to get its glimpse. Just amazing. I'm loving it. And the heron just flew away, so I got a time to make some vlog. But this is always amazing, always inspires me when I see other people, they are doing such photographs, hiding themselves, camouflage themselves. It's always awesome, amazing, and it feels so nice. So I am here. This will be my part of continuing the vlog which I did last week for the Black Heron. I will include this video in that and post the videos overall. So this has been made, the vlog has been made for like 3 to 4 days of efforts for this Black Heron, visiting Bahrain, getting it glimpse, multiple shots. This is just amazing. I've been here for like almost 2-3 hours now, and I was able to get a good, clear hunting feeding, which is called canopy fishing, or when this heron makes an umbrella to hunt fishes. I was able to capture for a few seconds. That's how it works. You have to be so dedicated sitting here for some few, like several hours, not few, and getting the glimpse moments for that small moment. It feels really wow, but it's, you have to be patient. It will go, it will come again. This is how it is. By this time it has gone several times and came back several times, and out of that I was able to capture 2 to 3 times. Most of them were in the bushes, but this time it was right now in front of me in the open. So what happens, there is so much distraction when this bird is fishing. Egrets, white egrets, reef herons, they come in between and disturb this bird. So this is a little challenging for this guy, poor guy, and I'm here sitting in the reeds, getting the glimpse as much as I can. I guess after some time I will be leaving because it's too much now. I'm tired. But this moment how I'm sitting is just amazing, awesome. And at least there is some success, I would say. It's not like it's not gone like useless. No, it's not like that. So I'm happy now. I'll be going back after some time. And I got today good close-ups of the photography shots. Only one clear canopy fishing shot of this beautiful black heron. See you guys. So today again I came up here in Bahrain just to get the glimpse of the heron. Today it was the perfect moment. I got the shots which I was looking for, and that's why it made my day. And I got a couple of good video footage where the bird is hunting by a canopy, by forming an umbrella. So this is just wow moment. I am so glad that I came back for this, to capture such moments. Although I was thinking that we can quit, it's enough, but no, it's never enough. You should always keep trying. That's the message. You should always keep trying. Never quit. That's a message as well. You learn from photography, you have to be patient. And see, I made this place as my bed. I am right now here like in a bed sort of a place, and waiting actually for the heron to come back, because it's never enough. But anyhow, I get good shots, good video footage. It was amazing moment. This time the bird was very near me feeding. I got plenty of photographs, I got video footage as well, and this is the best moment. And I am loving myself right now here. You can see that this is my face, and I cannot say anything that I have been amazed how beautiful this creature is. So just to move it, here I am. I was just using this cover just to show that the bird does not see my movement of the face. That is very important. Even your eyes, it is very important that the bird does not see the movement of your eyes. Just like we see the eye of the bird sees our eyes as well. So there are some things like you can cover your eyes also, but I don't want to go in such things. Maybe in future I will buy it, something like that, that can cover your face. So that will be awesome. This video I'm making in an episode. There will be certain moments I will be here and there in different days, but the idea of this is to have the glimpse of the Black Heron. So this is just wow moment. I am just like, I thought to make a awesome vlog over here, just like waiting for the bird to come, and it will come. It's not very shy anymore. I saw a little bittern as well. There are plenty of birds here, man. Bahrain is like a local patch. You come here and you get so many birds in the same place. While in Saudi Arabia, you have to travel a lot in many different places. This is one of the things that's good about Bahrain, and the bird species are like, you can say, similar. So this is the thing. Now I have heard that a robin is also in Bahrain. There's a pair of robin in Bahrain, but I have captured that robins a lot in Turkey. So European robin. So in that case, I will struggle less for that, or maybe I'll look for another day, uh, because it will make my record from Saudi Arabia. Sorry, from the Middle East. Sorry, Bahrain. So that's a good record. But let's see how the things end up, if I will be able to find it or not. That's also a hard job because it's shy over here, it's away from home. Ah, man, I love this. So what happens is the marsh area, it actually moves the bird altogether. So birds change their movement based on that. When the marsh area is in the sky, you will see that the birds will start allocating at a certain place and they will fly because it's a predator, and that changes the shift of their behavior, where they are feeding and present at the location. So this is how a marsh harrier, a raptor, plays a role in the feeder and birds in the pond, marshes, etc. So Black Heron is just in front of me. I don't know you will be able to hear this or not because I have to speak a little silent, but it's hunting in front of me. It become very relaxed and calm, and that's why I'm just making the video. It's just there in front of me. I thought we became friends. It's not flying away. It knows I am here for shoot. It's shoot. So it's hunting and I'm making the videos. Amazing. Amazing bird. so it went away, and I'm planning to leave now because it had been enough. I enjoyed the moment. Once again, do watch it. How the bird is hunting just amazes me. It's one of the kind, you can see the beak going down like a spear and the water catching the fish. So I got a moment also where it has captured a fish, and that is just incredible. A small fish, but at least there are some boys making noise. Ha, awesome moments, man. This photographic adventures are just unique, and you do enjoy them solo because you happen to have patience and observe as much as you can, as much observation. So observation matters a lot in birds photography and birding, and that's something you gain out of it. So here I am observing the small sort of a nature around me with the birds life and insect and fishes. I really enjoy this thing apart from human activity and all that. So you have a blend of both nature and the world, and you gain your observation skills, patience skills, artistic skills, so solo skills, adventurous sort of activity. So the heroine is still in front of me, man. Apart from giving me the lectures and advice on this skill set, let's focus on this heroine and leave. Soon I'll be going from here, and maybe I will come back. Being in the nature like this, you lose all your fears that something will come up here, although there is nothing over here, but still, some kind of insect or something like that. But you lose all your fear when the good things are in front of you. That's the how it is. Similar goes when in Malaysia I was so many spider and insects, but I was just not scared at all. But if they will come in my room, I will be like, oh my god. So this is how it is. A human should have been always in nature, somehow, I would say. It will adjust itself like our past ancestors have been doing in the earlier stone ages and all that stuff. Good stuff. So guys, I'll be on my way back. The hero just left and flew away, so I believe that's it. So let's go back and do some post processing and vlogging. All the videos vlogging, let's compile them and set them. So I have to walk back through here all the way back.